Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my keto coffee here and that's what this video is going to be. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so you don't miss any of my future videos. I have my keto coffee here that I made at home. It's so quick and easy to make. It's just such a nice treat compared to regular coffee with store-bought creamers, and there's absolutely no carbs in it. It's so rich and smooth and creamy. You feel like it's a gourmet coffee. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make buttered coffee, and it's something you can incorporate into your low-carb lifestyle or your keto diet. You just brew the coffee and you add coconut oil and butter, or you can do just one. You can use just coconut oil, you can use just butter, or you can use half and half. I like to do 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. It gives it a little bit of coconut flavor and it makes it really smooth and creamy. I'm a huge fan of coconut, so I like that little bit of coconut flavor in mine. You can also add a little bit of cinnamon, which gives it such a nice flavor and is also low carb. Buttered coffee is so easy to make and people don't realize how good it tastes until you try it. The secret to the creaminess is to blend it. So you can't just put a dollop of butter in your coffee and expect the same results. I use a Nutribullet to make my keto coffee, but a high-speed blender will work as well. It keeps you full for quite a while too. I can easily skip a meal drinking this. It's a great way to get your morning coffee, your morning caffeine, and also to suppress the appetite for a while as well. It's just such a nice drink to have in your hand when you're out running your errands in the morning or you have a lot to get done and you don't have time for a meal. right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick little demonstration. It's so fast to make. It's actually just one extra step, especially on these cooler days. It's so delicious. All right, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, don't forget to put your comments down below of your variations of keto coffee or anything else you want to mention. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.